Hey everybody, Nature Walks with Dawn here. Just feeding my neon tetras this morning and doing a little update for you all. I hope you all have a beautiful and happy day. This is one of our spider plants. Here's little sweetie pie over by my 20-gallon tank. She's out here too. Hey, sweet. That's her. And my moon tetras and my barb tetra, striped barb tetras are all doing good with their little plants and stuff in here. And I got a little water heart in here still floating that we got down from the Zen zone. Trying to see how that will work. They seem to like to nest in it and sleep. But they're all nibbling away at their breakfast. Orange barb, red barb, blue moon tetra, red moon tetra, green moon tetra, all swimming around. And here's my pleck catfish. I was thinking pleck a spotted catfish. I think they're all getting bigger. Look at him, he grew a lot. I'll put some more rocks in here too, and they look really nice. But they're all in here swimming happily, nibbling away, getting bigger every day. Don't know where the little baby purple one is, but there's our purple moon tetra too. She's up here in the water heart, I think. Hiding. Oh no, there she is. Wow, she got bigger too. I didn't even notice that was her. She got humongous. She's the same, almost the same as everybody else. Oh wow, I can't believe it. Where'd she go? Oh, there she is, one of my favorites because she was smaller. Oh, I love them all the same though. So they're doing great. Playing with each other, as you can see. I hope you all enjoy them. God bless and Jesus loves you all. I love you out there. I hope you have a beautiful day. And enjoy my video. Happy little family.